Hi, my name is Dr. Patrick Treacy. I'm an aesthetic doctor from Ireland, and I'd like to welcome you all to the Aesthetic Medical Conference in Dubrovnik. It's on from October the 10th to the 13th, and some of the top doctors from all over Europe, from Britain and America will be there. There'll be lots of live videos, and I attended this congress last year, and I must say it was one of the most wonderful congresses that I have attended. There's good social life as well. There's a party on the Friday night where there's a pool, and some of our top demonstrators like Dimitri from Athens will be there, Japan Patel, Poliklinika, David Eccleston, and some of my colleagues from the United States. And I'm really looking forward to this congress. In fact, I must tell you, do you know something, Nikki? I turned on Las Vegas to go to Dubrovnik, so I expect that everybody else should do the same. Thank you.